With sentence placement questions, we want to narrow our focus to just an idea or two. We don't want to have to read this paragraph 4 times and put the sentence in all these different places and see which one sounds best. There's a lot more science to these questions than that. So what we really want to do is look at the sentence that they're telling us to first, in this case sentence 5, and see if there's anything about that sentence that will let us place it somewhere. We want an anchor word in the sentence, or sometimes it's a phrase, something that is very indicative of placement. So this one is really easy. At that depth, water pressure suppresses the explosive force of the volcano's eruptions, allowing scientists to watch and observe them up close via remotely operated vehicles. So that introductory clause, at that depth, makes it seem like we just talked about a depth. So now I'm going to read the paragraph and I'm going to look for a sentence that talks about depth. And I'm not going to waste your time. There's only one that does it. Sentence 1 talks about 60 miles north of Guam and more than 1,700 feet under the ocean surface. That's a depth. Is the summit of NW Rota 1 an undersea volcano discovered in 2003. Surprisingly, the volcano appears to have been continuously active. It even grew 130 feet in height between 2006 and 2009. That could follow that sentence. There's nothing wrong with putting 2 after 1, but 5 is so about the depth that I want to put that there instead. I want a much tighter connection between 5 and 1, and it's okay to split up 1 and 2. Those don't need to be immediately after each other. So that's going to make choice B the answer, and that makes a lot of these sentence placements much easier. Narrow your focus. See if you can think about 1 or 2 ideas from the sentence you're moving that will force you to place it in a certain spot.